semester. And I believe that, I think all of you have taken admission, isn't it? Have you taken admission or not? Yes, you have done it. If you have taken the admission, that means you have already chosen the particular footpath. No? The particular footpath, the path which will lead you to be a successful person in the future. And the path you have taken, now as I've already tell you, I have told you already in the class, during the time of the class, so far you have been walking and coming in the one way, but after coming to the class 10, the road is divided into different ways. And you are standing middle of the road and you are selecting which road I will walk. Shall I walk with the way which is leading to the arts, to become a professor, to become a lecturer, the teachers, and then of course so many officers is coming from there? Or should I choose the way of the science where I can become doctors and different engineers, software engineer, and so on? Or should I choose the commerce to become a businessman and different varieties of businessmen I could come by choosing the particular way, the commerce? Or should I choose the way which will lead me to become an engineer? So you have chosen according the path. And you have taken admission, that means you have already chosen the particular way which will be leading you to become a successful person in the future. Well and good. Now, by choosing only the way is not enough. As you know, the matriculation is the batch or is the class which will lead you to the further education. If you don't pass the matriculation, you are not able to ahead the second step. You are not going to take it for your further education. To get in the further education, what you have to do is that, first of all, you have to complete the matriculation, and then the second stage of education will lead you for the future person. So you have chosen the particular way of life, all the base. You have to do, and you have to do hard work. Now, choosing the particular way of life is not completed. Your life has to go on with your hard working and responsibility and dedication. You have to put forward whole responsibilities and dedications in your studies. The gate you have completed, and you are entering to the another step, another field of education which you have to achieve. So as you have taken this way, or you have taken admission in the colleges, and you have taken the particular stream, my dear student, you have to be dedicated in your studies. So greater things are coming behind you. Whatever you have completed, that this is just a beginning. But don't think that so everything is going to become easy. No. There are greater things are going to happen, the harder things. And so you have to put forward. Okay, you have to put your minds and heart and dedicate completely your studies. Then only you will be able to reach the goal. Otherwise you will shut down, or you will stagnate your life somewhere without reaching your destination. The destination has to be started journey now. Not that somewhere else. Okay, it has to start now. If you want to become a successful person in the future, the journey is started now. You have to start now. And if you are not starting well now, definitely your journey will not be completed, I would say. So I want to say is that now since you have completed your schooling life, no one will come behind you. Not even your parents will come behind you much. Because your parents think that my sons and daughter has already grown up. They can able to manage themselves. He or she can able to manage herself or himself to take his life. The parents will support you materially. They will not come behind you all the time. Whether you are reaching college or not, whether you are going with somebody else, nobody will be looking at you. Remember that you have set the goal. And what is your goal? Your aim. Now, putting the aim in the right path, you need to remember and you have to think all the time that you walk ahead. The moment you take the step by step, you need to remember your aims. What is your aim? Sometimes what happen, the life of the student, they keep the aim somewhere else, but then as they work, they forgot the aims and they work and go towards the something else. And you know what happened? They end up the life half of their education way. They could not complete the education. And you know what happened? Once you are not able to complete your education, you will be stagnant in your life, either this or that.